As we have finished the chapter, The Summit Within, today we are starting with the discussion of question answers of the chapter, The Summit Within. The first question is, what are the three qualities that played a major role in the author's climb? The question is, what are the three qualities that played a major role in the author's climb? The answer is, the three qualities that played a major role in the author's climb were endurance, persistence, and willpower. I repeat, endurance, persistence, and willpower. Now, second question, why is adventure, which is risky, also pleasurable? The adventure, though risky, gives pleasure because man takes delight in overcoming obstacles and doing what is difficult. I hope the question is clear and the answer is also clear. The third question is, what was it about Mount Everest that the author found irresistible? That is, he could not resist, he could not bear with it. The author finds it difficult to answer this question in its entirety. One reason, quite obviously, was because the Everest is the highest and the mightiest, and the earlier attempts to reach its top had failed. Also, the author found in climbing mountains a way to have a communion with God, and nothing could be better than the Everest. Next question, one does not do it, climb a high peak for fame alone. What does one do it for really? According to the author, one does not just climb the highest peak for the fame or because of the undying love that man has for adventure. He does so also to lift himself above his immediate surroundings, to rise above the pettiness of life. Climbing the mountains is a life-changing experience, and it teaches you lessons that last a lifetime. Next question. He becomes conscious in a special manner of his own smallness in this large universe. This awareness defines an emotion mentioned in the first paragraph. Which is the emotion? The answer is humility. According to the author, climbing the mountain peak makes you really humble. Looking from the mountain peak, one finds his surroundings really small and one's position in that surroundings further smaller. This makes you aware of your nothingness. Now, very important question, children. What were the symbols of reverence left by the members of the team on Everest? Every climber left reverence. I hope all of you know. I repeat, reverence means respect. Every climber left a symbol of reverence or what they associated with God. These symbols of reverence were a picture or an idol of God, a relic or an emblem of God they worshipped. Therefore, Ahluwalia left a picture of Guru Nanak, whereas Rawat left a picture of Goddess Durga, Pooh Dorji left a relic of Buddha, and Edmund Hillary buried a cross. Now, next question, what, according to the writer, did his experience as an Everester teach him? This is also a very important question. See, when we do any task, any especially adventurous task or any work in our life, may I tell you, it gives us an experience. Like I can tell you that nowadays the whole world is suffering from the virus, coronavirus, COVID-19. This has also given the government a new vision how to be self-dependent, self-reliant. And this also gives us inspiration that man in his life should be self-reliant. हम आत्मनिर्भर बने स्वयं के काम के लिए भी. हम ये कहना चाहती हूँ, मैं यहाँ ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग क्या है, अभी इस एज पर भी पेरेंट्स पर निर्भर रहते हैं बहुत चीज़ों के लिए, अपने काम के लिए. जहाँ हम जो काम कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, हमें निर्भर रहना भी चाहिए क्योंकि हमारे पेरेंट हैं, पर हम जहाँ अपना काम स्वयं कर सकते हैं तो हमें ये याद रखना चाहिए कि हमें निर्भरता की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. उसका छोटा छोटा एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको बताऊँ. अपनी बुक्स और कॉपीज़ प्रॉपरली मेंटेन रखें, अपनी शूज़ और सॉक्स स्कूल के प्रॉपरली जगह पर रखें, बैग को प्रॉपरली साफ़ करके मेंटेन करें, जमाएं, अपनी डेली थिंग्स ऑफ डेली नीड्स उसको अच्छे से रखें. ये ही इस लेसन से ये भी हमें वैल्यूज़ मिलती है. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और लास्ट क्वेश्चन में जो मैं बोलना चाह रही हूँ, आपको समझाना चाह रही हूँ, क्लास में डिस्कस करना चाह रही हूँ. What according to the writer did his experience as an Everester teach him? The author learnt various lessons as an Everester. The first lesson he learnt was of endurance, persistence and willpower. To be able to reach the top and not leave the venture halfway. मतलब कोई भी हम काम करें तो उसको ऊपर तक करें और उसको हाफ वे में ना छोड़ें. One needed all three. The second lesson learnt was that of teamship and helping your fellow climbers. Each one's life was deeply entangled with the action of other climbers. You could not risk the life of others due to your errors, and also teamwork could help others emerge out of their difficulties too. मतलब जब हम टीम वर्क काम करते हैं तो परेशानी कितनी भी बड़ी हो हम उसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. द थर्ड लेसन जो कि राइटर ने पढ़ा इसमें वो था लेसन ऑफ ह्यूमिलिटी एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड. यू थैंक गॉड फॉर एवरी ब्रेथ यू ब्रीथ. सो चिल्ड्रेन, I have discussed you near about 7 questions and I hope you have understood. Thank you.